You've heard so much about Ayurvedic food diets, Ayurvedic regimens, and yet really don't know what is real Ayurveda and authentic diet regimen according to Ayurveda. Well, don't worry, Marshi Ayurveda is going to help you today in understanding what are some general principles of diet that you need to take care of, how you can incorporate them simply in your diet, what are some small tips that you can add to your life which can make your digestion perfect and your health perfect. Stay tuned till the end of the video because there will be some very interesting tips and some very interesting revelations about Ayurveda that none of you have access to till now. Number one, we start with some general principles or guidelines relating to diet. If you're somebody who eats too fast, then that is something that has to go away. Eating too fast and too slow can actually be really harmful for the body because the digestion capacity only has a limited amount of time that it is activated in. And if you don't take opportunity of that time, your hormones also start going out of balance. Number two, eat in a very calm, serene, settled environment without any TV, without even much conversation. Make sure you focus on your food rather than on screens. And also, if you're sitting on a dining table with a chair, you can always try to sit cross-legged, which is an ideal sitting for eating food. Number three, make sure that you don't always feel full after eating your food. What does that mean? Always eat 3/4 of your capacity. This allows that 1/4 of the capacity left in the stomach for the doshas to play their role. Vata, Pitta and Kapha all have a role in every process we do, and this allows for that space to be left for the doshas to do what they have to do for a perfect digestion and elimination. Number four, always avoid eating before the previous meal has been digested. The ideal time to eat the next meal is actually a minimum of 3 to 3.5 hours. And if you don't feel hungry, there is absolutely no need for you to eat the meal. Have that gap and it's going to start showing in your digestion as well. Number five, make sure you don't drink cold, raw foods which actually hamper your digestion. These days, I see a lot of people having cucumber with very well cooked warm meals, which is an absolute disaster when it comes to digestion. You can always have cucumber, but have it separately, or at least give half an hour gap between eating warm meals and cold foods. Number six, Ayurveda is not about fats, carbohydrates and proteins. It's about incorporating the 6 tastes in life, which is Madhur, Katu, Tikt, Kashaya, Lavan and Amla. Now these 6 tastes, when they are already incorporated in your plate, actually can take care of the proteins, the fats, the carbohydrates on its own. And that is all you really need to take care of. Imagine that you're adding Tikt, which is the bitter taste, which is highly anti-inflammatory and antioxidant and has a purifying action in your body, something that modern research has already established. Ayurveda already understood that this taste was very important to incorporate in your every meal throughout the day. Even if you're not able to incorporate all 6 rasas on your plate in every meal, but you should definitely have them in any one meal of the day, even if not together. Number 7, you have to eat according to your appetite, Agni and dosha type. That means it has to be a wholesome meal which is nourishing in nature with grains, with good amount of ghee and a lot of wholesome fats and carbohydrates which are already incorporated in the 6 rasas as I told you about. Now this wholesome meal has to be decided based on your prakriti and the current state of your digestion. Number 8. Once you finish your meal, make sure you give a sitting time of at least 5 minutes after your meal. I see a lot of people try to rush and finish their meal quickly within 10 minutes, and right after the meal they start going running or start going to their office or work and forget that there is something which has just entered their digestive system. Those 5 to 7 minutes or even 10 minutes for some people can actually really determine how your food is digested, assimilated and metabolized. So if you can take that time to just sit after your meal has been eaten, it's really, really good. Also, do not mix your meal with water right after or right before a meal. That is also very important if you want to have a good digestion. Number 9, which is do not eat right before going to bed. It's very important you give your meal the chance to be digested properly. At least 3 hours is what Ayurveda recommends for the meal to be digested. If you are somebody who gets hungry right after a meal, make sure you have a good wholesome meal which will keep you full throughout the night, and this is also determined by what time you're sleeping. If you are somebody who has eaten their dinner by 7 p.m., you have to sleep by at least 10 p.m., which is the latest that you should be awake till. Number 10, which majority of the people in the world have actually forgotten and is quite basic in nature. Chew your food really well. The rule that I use at my home is eating your food at least 32 times before it actually enters your throat. That means chewing and chewing it till the time it feels like a semi-solid or almost a fluid. That is the best way to prepare your food, because during that time that you're chewing, the stomach is also preparing for the food to come, be absorbed, and also secretes the right amount and right quantity of enzymes that are needed to digest that food. Chewing too quickly or too slowly, both can be really harmful, especially if you already suffer through indigestion. Based on these 10 points that I have outlined for you, you can design the perfect dincharya or an ideal daily meal plan for yourself. Make sure to stay tuned to our channel, make sure you subscribe to it, and comment below if you have any specific questions on this particular video. You can also call the number below to get a Vaidya consultation and fix your imbalances from within through the lens of Ayurveda. Comment, like, and share our videos so that we can reach to more people. Thank you so much for joining us today, and always remember, fix the root to enjoy the fruit. Jai Gurudev.